Good morning, viewers. An inspiring story comes from Idean Boarding School in Jonggol, Indonesia. 49 students from the school have just finished a backpacking trip across 11 countries. This trip was not only about traveling, but also about learning, independence, and representing Indonesia of on the international stage. The journey began in Indonesia and continued to 11 countries: Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, South Korea, Turkey, Italy, France, the Netherlands, and Germany. During the trip, the students had to manage everything on their own. They arranged their schedules, transportation, food, and even where they stay. They live simply like a real backpacker, learning how to be carefully with money and how to take responsibility for themselves. This experience was not just about visiting place. The students also had a special mission to share Indonesian culture with the world. In several countries, they wore batik, performed traditional dance, and introduced Indonesian food to local communities. At the same time, they learned many lessons from the people they met abroad. They saw how different cultures live, how discipline is practiced, and how people from other nations welcome visitors. For many of the students, this was their very first time going abroad. It was a challenge, but also a chance to grow. They become more confident, more independent, and more proud to carry the name of Indonesia whatever they went. The backpacking program was a special activity in IDN boarding school. The purpose is simple: to build strong character, to make students brave, and to prepare them for the real world. Throughout this program, they are trained to think critically, solve problems, and work together as a team. Now that the students are back home, they carry not only souvenirs, but also valuable life lessons and unforgettable memories. They have learned that education does not only happen in classroom. The world itself can be their best classroom, full of experience that teach courage, independence, and respect for other culture. From jungle to the world, these 49 students have shown that young Indonesians can dream big and make it happen. Their journey is proof that with courage and hard work, our youth can stand proudly on the international stage. That is tonight's story. I'm Alivendra. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Good evening, viewers. Tonight we continue the story of 14 students from Idean Boarding School in Jonggol who recently returned from a backpacking journey to 11 countries. In this follow-up report, we'll look deeper at what the students actually learned from their journey. Many of them say that the trip was more than just about seeing new place. It was about personal growth, discipline, and friendship across border. Some students share that the hardest part was learning how to manage money wisely. With only a small budget, they had to make carefully choice for food, transportation, and housing. Others said that time management was the biggest challenge because they had to plan connection between bus, trains, flight without being late. The students also spoke about cultural differences. In Japan and South Korea, they were impressed by how people value discipline and respect for others. In Turkey and Europe, they learn how different cultures celebrate diversity while living side by side. These lessons gave the student a new perspective on the world and made them appreciate both food tradition and their own Indonesian culture. Teachers from Idean Boarding School explained that this program was designed not only for travel, but also to build character. The goal is to help students become independent young leaders who are already to face challenge in the future. By being there in real situations far from home, the students learn teamwork, responsibility, and how to solve problems under pressure. Parents also express their pride. Many said their children come back more mature, more confident, and more responsibility than before. One parent shared that her son now wakes up earlier, organize his own schedule, and studies with stronger motivation. This shows how powerful real life experience can be as a part for education. The school hopes that this program will continue in the coming years, allowing more students to experience the world and bring home valuable lessons. They also believe that sharing Indonesian culture abroad is an important mission. Through simple acts like wearing batik or perform traditional dance, the students became ambassadors of Indonesian viewers. The story of these 49 students remind us that education is not limited to books or classroom. Traveling, meeting people, and facing challenge is new environment can teach lessons that last a lifetime. From jungle to 11 countries and back again. The students prove that with courage, discipline, and teamwork, young Indonesians can shine on the world stage. That is continuation of our special report on Idean Boarding School Backpacking Program. I'm Alif. Thank you for watching and stay with us for more stories after this.